Hello. On the main user interface of Worksheet, there is a setting here, quick mode, right at the cursor location, which is cell O12. And what it does when you turn it on by pressing CTRL SHIFT Q. So let's select the worksheet, press CTRL SHIFT Q, that turns on the quick mode. Now, when you press the update button to update the this particular worksheet for a new stock, let's say Apple or whatever, then this performance matrix which compare the performance of this particular stock by itself and against the broader S&P 500 index and its respective sector. This performance matrix will not be updated because it will not download the fresh data for the index as well as the sector. Not only this, it will also not update the seasonality chart, and it will remain as it is. This saves time when for some reason either you're traveling or the slowdown in internet connectivity or the servers of Microsoft service provider which provide this data, sometimes they go under maintenance and slows down. So if you feel something like that, then and you are not concerned about the performance or the seasonality chart of the stock, you just want to analyze the stock and its main charts and test and take a look at some technical indicator, then you can turn on the quick mode and then save some time. This will speed up the entire process. To turn it back on, again press off, press Ctrl Shift Q, and that will bring it to its normal mode, which is the quick mode is in the off condition. Thank you very much.